Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have a conversation with ChatGPT. Having a conversation with ChatGPT is simple and accessible. Here's how you can interact with ChatGPT effectively. Access ChatGPT. Launch your preferred browser, then navigate to ChatGPT's platform. If you have an account, log in using your email or linked service. If you don't have an account, just create one. Next, start the conversation. Type your question or statement into the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Press enter or click the send icon. Next, tips for better conversation. Be clear and specific. Provide details about your query to get the most accurate response. Example, instead of tell me about animals, say tell me about the habitat of polar bears. Use follow-up questions. Continue the conversation by asking related questions for deeper understanding, like this question. Request examples or explanations. If something isn't clear, ask for the clarification or examples like this one. Next, explore advanced features. Set a tone or role. Ask ChatGPT to take on a specific role. For example, act as a teacher and explain gravity. Multi-step instructions. You can ask ChatGPT to perform tasks like generating lists, solving problems, or writing drafts. Next, save responses. Highlight and copy any response you'd like to save. Use tools like Word or Notepad to store information. And lastly, ensure a smooth experience. Ensure you have a steady internet connection for uninterrupted conversations. Keep your browser up to date and avoid compatibility issues. With these steps, you can easily interact with ChatGPT and make the most of your AI-powered assistant. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.